Contemporary automotive manufacturing requires lightweight materials, high-strength steel grades, aluminum, and aluminum alloys. These materials demand a very high force accuracy to achieve a high-quality spot weld. A champion in welding applications, KUKA's premier ServoGunAdvanced software features force regulation and the highest force accuracy on the market, taking high-performance spot welding to a new level. Unlike conventional systems, ServoGunAdvanced measures applied force throughout the entire welding process with an integrated force sensor, regulating it to an unmatched deviation between 1 to 3% of the target welding force. Additionally, ServoGunAdvanced adjusts welding force continuously to adapt to fluctuating conditions. This prevents faulty welds when, for example, welding electrode tips sink into the material and lose force. Users can configure welding force to a predetermined force profile to optimize welding conditions for better results when welding different materials or multiple sheets. Direct sensor feedback does not require periodic system calibration, making welding independent from external influences like mechanical wear, age, orientation in space, and the temperature of the welding gun. Like ServoGun Basic, ServoGunAdvanced also provides gun arm deflection and displacement compensation, as well as weld tip wear compensation. A smaller gun operating compared to conventional systems supports welding in a confined space with high force accuracy. Traditionally, force regulation was only possible by using a special servo motor with an integrated force sensor. KUKA's cutting-edge innovation makes it possible to use any type of welding gun and servo motor with a validated external force sensor installed on the welding gun, which reduces investment costs significantly and makes the system extremely flexible. Integration is quick and easy thanks to the pre-configured interface. KUKA's ServoGunAdvanced is a proven technology for thousands of industry applications, providing best-in-class force accuracy and increasing weld quality, weldability of hard-to-weld materials, and reducing time-consuming inspection and rework. Benefit from the advantages of this premier technology in your production systems.
Industrial intelligence.